Katy Perry faces backlash over $6 million lawsuit against bedridden 85-year-old veteran. Pop superstar Katy Perry, known for her chart-topping hits and vibrant persona, has found herself at the center of a growing controversy. The 40-year-old singer and her husband, actor Orlando Bloom, are facing criticism for pursuing a $6 million lawsuit against Carl Westcott, an 85-year-old veteran currently bedridden due to a neurological disorder. The lawsuit, which has sparked outrage among fans and critics alike, has raised questions about empathy, fairness, and the power dynamics between celebrities and ordinary individuals. The Montecito mansion dispute. The legal battle between Perry and Westcott traces back to July 2020, when Perry and Bloom purchased a lavish $15 million estate in Montecito, California. Nestled within a celebrity-favored enclave, the sprawling 1930s mansion boasts 9,000 square feet of luxury and sits on an expansive 2.5-acre plot. At the time, the deal seemed like a dream come true for the Hollywood couple, offering privacy and elegance away from the bustling streets of Los Angeles. However, trouble soon emerged. Carl Westcott, who had initially agreed to the sale, attempted to withdraw from the agreement just days later. He argued that he was not of sound mind when the deal was finalized, citing his deteriorating health and impaired mental state. This led to a lengthy legal confrontation that culminated in a court ruling in Perry's favor in 2023. A Los Angeles Superior Court judge declared that Westcott had the mental capacity to engage in the real estate transaction. The court's decision stated, Westcott presented no persuasive evidence that he lacked capacity to enter into a real estate contract. Consequently, Perry and Bloom became the official owners of the mansion in December 2023, nearly 4 years after the initial purchase agreement. A fresh legal battle, the $6 million lawsuit. While winning the ownership battle might have marked the end of the story for many, it was only the beginning for Perry. The singer has now initiated a fresh lawsuit against Westcott, demanding $6 million in back rent and alleged damages. Perry argues that the veteran owes substantial sums for repairs and lost rental income, suggesting that the sale price of the home should be adjusted accordingly. This move has not gone down well with the Westcott family. They have publicly condemned Perry's actions, accusing her of greed and a lack of empathy. Speaking to The Sun, Carl's son, Chart Westcott, did not hold back. "She has no sense of fair play, no empathy, zero empathy, quite the opposite," he said. He also highlighted his father's declining health, describing his condition as constant in its deterioration. Chart further criticized the legal team representing Perry and Bloom, suggesting that the harsher treatment during the trial coincided with Carl's worsening health. "The worse the condition my father is in, the harsher they've been in trial," he claimed, painting a picture of a celebrity couple disconnected from the human impact of their legal pursuits. Accusations of greed and privilege. The Westcott family's criticisms extend beyond Perry herself, touching on broader societal concerns about privilege and the treatment of everyday people by the Hollywood elite. Chart labeled the $6 million lawsuit as a manifestation of greed, stating, "There's no real explanation other than greed." He expressed disbelief that such a wealthy and successful couple would aggressively pursue such a sum over what he deemed to be minor damages. Chart also speculated that Perry and Bloom might not even be personally involved in the legal strategy, suggesting that their lawyers and business managers could be driving the aggressive approach. "This is such a small deal to be worried about. I think it's a matter of privilege," he said, implying that Perry's immense wealth might have insulated her from the reality of the situation. Public reaction, backlash and debate. The lawsuit has sparked a significant backlash on social media. Critics have expressed disappointment in Perry, with many questioning how someone who built a career on messages of love, acceptance and empowerment could engage in such a seemingly ruthless legal battle. How can Katy Perry sing about fireworks and being yourself when she's suing an 85-year-old veteran in poor health? Absolutely heartless, one Twitter user wrote. Another commented, Katy Perry's legal battle with Carl Westcott is a reminder of how out of touch the Hollywood elite can be. Empathy costs nothing. However, not everyone is against Perry. Some fans argue that business is business, and that Perry is merely protecting her investment. If Westcott signed the contract, then he should be held accountable. "You can't just back out of deals when it suits you," a supporter tweeted. The Hollywood elite system, a broader critique. The controversy has also reignited discussions about how wealthy celebrities and corporations leverage legal systems to their advantage. The Westcott family accused Perry of benefiting from a Hollywood elite system that allows celebrities to treat ordinary people like dirt. These accusations tap into a growing sentiment of frustration with wealth inequality and the perceived immunity of the rich and powerful. High-profile legal battles like this one often serve as a stark reminder of the challenges ordinary people face when up against well-funded legal teams. What's next for Katy Perry? As the lawsuit progresses, Perry's public image could face lasting damage. The singer, who has long enjoyed a generally positive reputation, may find it difficult to reconcile this legal strategy with her public persona. Her team has yet to release a detailed statement addressing the allegations of greed and lack of empathy. However, legal experts suggest that if the lawsuit continues to draw negative attention, Perry might consider settling the matter quietly to avoid further harm to her brand. Conclusion: a cautionary tale. The legal battle between Katy Perry and Carl Westcott is more than a dispute over real estate. It has become a symbol of the clash between celebrity privilege and everyday struggles, highlighting the stark contrasts in how justice can play out depending on one's status and resources. While the courts may ultimately decide the financial outcome, the battle for public opinion is far more complex. Perry may win in the legal arena, but winning back the hearts of fans could prove to be a much steeper challenge. As this story continues to unfold, it serves as a reminder that empathy and fairness are often more valuable than any real estate investment, no matter how luxurious. Whether Perry will recognize this and adjust her approach remains to be seen, but the consequences of this legal battle will likely linger long after the courtroom doors close.